People in Nottinghamshire have been urged to consider staying with friends after river levels reached record levels. Communities near the north of the River Trent are most at risk from flooding, according to the local authority, with residents urged to check on elderly and vulnerable residents. Nottinghamshire County Council said people living in places such as Church Lane, Ham, Martin and Ragnall should consider staying with friends. In a series of tweets on Saturday afternoon, the council told people the River Trent has now reached a record peak at the Torksey Lock Gauge in Nottinghamshire, with rising waters surpassing the historic levels set in the year 2000. This means that your communities are at an increased risk of flooding. It added, if you live in one of the affected areas and know someone who does not have access to a computer, please share this message with them. Also, if you're in an area at risk of flooding and have an elderly or vulnerable neighbor, please make sure to check on them. Meanwhile, the MP for Newark, Robert Jenrick, told Sky News, if you see the area from above, it really is biblical in terms of the level of flooding and damage that has happened. Meanwhile, a cold weather alert had been issued and almost 250 flood warnings across England and Wales as conditions continue to cause travel problems. The UK Health Security Agency has issued a yellow cold weather alert for vulnerable and elderly people from 9 a.m. on Saturday until midday on Friday, January 12 across England. With temperatures likely to be a few degrees below average across much of the UK, especially overnight, and ice appearing on wet ground. The Environment Agency had 244 flood warnings where flooding is expected in place across England on Saturday, down from more than 300 on Friday morning. Natural Resources Wales had warnings in place on the River Wye at Monmouth and the River Rytech at Tenby. There were a further 262 flood alerts where flooding is possible in place across England and 9 in Wales. This channel needs your help. Please subscribe. Thank you. As 3 p.m. on Saturday, 207 flood warnings have been issued across England and Wales by the Environment Agency. The UK Health Security Agency's warning will be in place until 12 p.m. on January 12, with forecasters warning of icy conditions as temperatures plunge below freezing. It comes as many parts of the country continue to grapple with the aftermath of Storm Hank, with 1,000 homes flooded across the country this week. Please subscribe. Thank you.